Listen and practice. म तिमीले भनेको कुरा स्वीकार गर्न सक्दिन. I can't accept what you say. I can't accept what you say. फेरि यस्तो दुष्कर्म नगर. Don't do such a mischief again. Don't do such a mischief again. यो त्यस्तो होइन. It's not like that. यो त्यस्तो होइन. It's not like that. उसले बिदा पाउन सकेन. He couldn't manage to get leave. He couldn't manage to get leave. यो असम्भव छ. It's impossible. It's impossible. म जान सक्दिन. No, I couldn't go. No, I couldn't go. मलाई केही चाहिँदैन. I don't want anything. I don't want anything. म यो कसरी गर्न सक्छु? How can I do this? How can I do this? म यो गर्न सक्दिन. I can't do this. I can't do this. यो सत्य होइन. This is not true. This is not true. तिमीले यसलाई अनुमति दिनु हुँदैन. You should not allow this. You should not allow this. अरूको गल्ती नखोज. Don't find fault with others. Don't find fault with others. आफ्नो धनको घमण्ड नगर. Don't be proud of your money. Don't be proud of your money. जिद्दी नगर. Don't be stubborn. Don't be stubborn. जिद्दी नगर. मैले गीत गाउन जान्दिन. I don't know how to sing. I don't know how to sing. तिमी आफ्नो काम गर. Do your work. Do your work. यो कोट लगाएर हेर. Try this coat on. Try this coat on. मन लगाएर काम गर. Work wholeheartedly. Work wholeheartedly. मलाई एक गिलास ताजा पानी देऊ. Get me a glass of fresh water. Get me a glass of fresh water. शिष्टतापूर्वक कुरा गर. Talk politely. Talk politely. वा नम्र भएर कुरा गर. हिसाब चेक गर. Check the accounts. तातो चिया बिस्तारै पिउने गर. Sip the hot tea slowly. Sip the hot tea slowly. यहाँ पार्किङ गर्न मनाइ छ. Parking is not allowed here. Parking is not allowed here. आफूले आफूलाई सुधार. Mend your ways. Mend your ways. पाहुनालाई भित्र ल्याऊ. Bring the guest in. Bring the guest in. सबैसँग नम्रतापूर्वक कुरा गर. Speak politely with everybody. Speak politely with everybody. मलाई ठिक समयमा सम्झाऊ. Remind me of it at the proper time. Remind me of it at the proper time. बच्चालाई सुताऊ. Put the child to sleep. Put the child to sleep. मलाई यसको बारेमा भोलि सम्झाऊ. Remind me about it tomorrow. Remind me about it tomorrow. सबै कुरा तयार गरेर राख. Keep everything ready. Keep everything ready. होशियारीपूर्वक हिँड. Walk continuously. पछि आऊ. Come afterwards. Come afterwards. तिमी आउन चाहन्छौ भने तयार हौ. Get ready if you want to come along. Get ready if you want to come along. म नफर्कन्जेल यहीँ पर्खिनु. Wait here until I am back. Wait here until I am back. यस्तो कुरा बोल्नु हुँदैन. Don't speak like this. Don't speak like this. अब तिमी जाऊ, मेरो काम छ. You may go now. I have some work. You may go now. I have some work. यसलाई नोट गरेर राख. Note this down. Note this down. चाँडै फर्केर आऊ. Come back soon. Come back soon.